Hold on to your hats, folks, because the internet is about to get a whole lot more interesting. We're talking about the metaverse, a persistent, shared, three-dimensional virtual world that's blurring the lines between online and real life. Imagine a world where you can attend concerts, visit museums, even hang out with friends, all from your living room. That's the promise of the metaverse. It's about creating immersive experiences that go beyond the flat screens we're used to. The metaverse isn't just about gaming, though. It has the potential to revolutionize how we work, learn, and interact socially. Imagine attending meetings, collaborating on projects, or even going on virtual dates, all within a shared digital space. This is more than just a fad. The metaverse is a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology and each other. It's about creating a more immersive, interconnected world. Buckle up, because things are about to get meta. The metaverse might feel like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's already here in its early stages. Platforms like Meta's Horizon Worlds and VR Chat are giving us a glimpse into what's possible. Horizon Worlds, Meta's flagship metaverse platform, lets you create avatars, hang out with friends, play games, and even build your own virtual worlds. Think of it like a giant interactive playground where the only limit is your imagination. VR Chat takes a more social approach. It's a massive online community where you can meet people from all over the world, attend virtual events, and explore user-generated worlds. Want to attend a virtual rave in a medieval castle? VR Chat has you covered. These platforms are just the tip of the iceberg. As the metaverse evolves, we'll see more sophisticated and immersive virtual worlds emerge, offering endless possibilities for entertainment, socializing, and even work. The metaverse isn't just about escaping reality, it's about expanding it. It's about creating new ways to connect, collaborate, and explore. So, how do we actually get into the metaverse? That's where VR and AR come in. Think of them as your passport to this exciting new digital frontier. VR, or virtual reality, immerses you in a completely digital environment using headsets like the Oculus Quest or HTC Vive. You can look around, interact with objects, and even feel like you're physically present in the virtual world. AR, or augmented reality, overlays digital elements onto the real world through devices like smartphones or smart glasses. Remember Pokemon Go? That's AR in action. In the metaverse, Arkansas could let you interact with virtual objects and characters as if they were part of your physical surroundings. These technologies are still evolving, but they're rapidly becoming more affordable and accessible. As VR and AR hardware and software improve, the metaverse will become even more immersive and realistic, blurring the lines between the physical and digital even further. One of the most exciting aspects of the metaverse is its potential to transform how we connect with each other. Imagine attending a concert with friends from across the globe or collaborating on a project with colleagues in a shared virtual workspace. The metaverse breaks down geographical barriers, allowing us to connect with anyone, anywhere, in a more immersive and engaging way than ever before. Imagine attending a virtual language exchange, learning about different cultures, or even just hanging out with friends in a virtual park, all from the comfort of your own home. But it's not just about replicating real-world interactions, it's about enhancing them. The metaverse allows us to express ourselves in new and creative ways through our avatars, virtual environments, and even digital objects. In the metaverse, you can be whoever you want to be, and that opens up a world of possibilities for social interaction and self-expression. You might be wondering, what about my stuff? Can I own things in the metaverse? That's where NFTs and blockchain come in. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets that verify ownership of digital items like art, collectibles, and even virtual real estate. Think of them like digital deeds or certificates of authenticity. Blockchain technology provides a secure and transparent way to track and manage these digital assets. It's like a giant, decentralized ledger that records every transaction, ensuring that ownership is clear and verifiable. In the metaverse, NFTs can represent anything from virtual clothing and accessories for your avatar to virtual real estate and even in-game items. This opens up new possibilities for digital ownership, commerce, and even investment. Like any new technology, the metaverse comes with its own set of challenges and potential downsides. Privacy concerns, digital addiction, and the complexities of virtual economies are just a few of the issues we need to address. With so much personal data being collected and shared in the metaverse, protecting user privacy is paramount. We need to ensure that users have control over their data and that it's not being misused or exploited. The immersive nature of the metaverse also raises concerns about digital addiction. Spending too much time in virtual worlds could have negative consequences for mental health, social skills, and even physical well-being. And let's not forget about the virtual economy. As virtual currencies and digital assets become more prevalent, we need to establish clear rules and regulations to prevent fraud, money laundering, and other financial crimes. Addressing these challenges is crucial to ensure that the metaverse is a safe, equitable, and sustainable space for everyone. Section 7. Tech Titans. Take the plunge. Meta, Microsoft, and the Metaverse Gold Rush. The Metaverse isn't just a tech pipe dream, it's attracting massive investments from some of the biggest names in the industry. Meta, formerly Facebook, is betting big on the Metaverse, pouring billions of dollars into developing hardware, software, and platforms like Horizon Worlds. They envision a future where the Metaverse is an integral part of our daily lives. Microsoft is also heavily invested in the Metaverse, focusing on enterprise solutions like virtual collaboration tools and mixed reality applications. Their HoloLens headset is a prime example of how they're pushing the boundaries of AR technology. These tech giants are just the beginning. Countless startups and established companies are jumping on the Metaverse bandwagon, eager to capitalize on this emerging market. This influx of investment and talent is driving innovation and accelerating the development of the Metaverse, bringing us closer to a future where the lines between the physical and digital are blurred beyond recognition. Section 8. The future is now working, playing, living in the Metaverse. The Metaverse has the potential to revolutionize far more than just our social lives. It could transform how we work, learn, shop, and even experience entertainment. Imagine attending virtual conferences, collaborating with colleagues in shared three-dimensional workspaces, or even conducting virtual job interviews, all from the comfort of your home. The Metaverse could make remote work more immersive and productive. Education is another area ripe for disruption. Imagine students taking virtual field trips to ancient Rome, dissecting virtual frogs in biology class, or learning about different cultures by interacting with virtual avatars from around the world. The Metaverse could also revolutionize retail, allowing us to try on clothes virtually, visualize furniture in our homes before we buy it, and even attend virtual fashion shows. The possibilities are endless. Section 9. The Ethics of Infinity, Navigating the Metaverse's Moral Maze. As we venture deeper into the Metaverse, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications of this technology. One major concern is accessibility. Will everyone have equal access to the Metaverse, or will it exacerbate existing digital divides based on factors like income, location, and access to technology? Another issue is safety and harassment. How do we ensure that the Metaverse is a safe and inclusive space for everyone, free from bullying, discrimination, and other forms of online abuse? We also need to consider the psychological impact of spending extended periods in virtual worlds. How do we prevent addiction, social isolation, and other potential downsides of excessive Metaverse use? Addressing these ethical concerns is crucial to ensure that the Metaverse is a force for good, promoting connection, creativity, and inclusivity for all. Section 10, Ready Player One, the Metaverse's big question. The Metaverse is still in its early stages, but it's evolving rapidly. The question isn't whether it will arrive, but how quickly it will transform our lives. Are we ready for a world where the lines between physical and digital are blurred beyond recognition? The Metaverse presents us with both incredible opportunities and complex challenges. It's up to us to shape its development and ensure that it's a force for good, promoting connection, creativity, and human flourishing. So buckle up, embrace the unknown, and get ready to explore the exciting, ever-evolving world of the Metaverse.